Hi everyone. Today, I'll show you how to create and customize fascias, soffits, and gutters in Revit. These elements are small details, but they make a big difference in the overall look of your roof. All right, let's get started. First, go to the Roof tab and select Fascia. Before placing the fascia, let's customize its type. Click Edit Type. If you don't see the fascia profile you want, go to Families, Profiles, M Fascia Flat, then double-click to open it. Duplicate the profile and rename it based on your custom size. In this case, I'll use 19 by 300 millimeters. Change the height value to 300 millimeters. Now go back to Edit Type and select the profile we just created. You can also change the material here, for example. I'll use cherry wood. Once that's done, you can place the fascia by clicking along the edge of the roof, like this. Next, let's create the soffit. Go to Top View and change the graphic display to wireframe, so it's easier to select edges. Go to the Roof tab again and select Soffit. First, use Pick Walls and select the walls in your model. Then, use Pick Roof Edges and select the roof edges. Before finishing, click Edit Type to customize the soffit. Duplicate the type and rename it, for example. Generic 19 millimeters. Go into Structure and change the thickness to 19 millimeters. You can also change the material. I'll use the same material as the fascia for consistency. Now, go to the front view. As you can see, the soffit is not placed correctly. Select the soffit and move it downward. Then use the Align tool. First, click the bottom edge of the fascia, and then click the bottom edge of the soffit. Now the soffit is perfectly aligned with the fascia. Switch the graphic display back to shaded and double-check that the fascia and soffit are aligned and placed correctly. Finally, let's add the gutter. Go back to the Roof tab and select Gutter. You can place the gutter simply by clicking along the edge of the fascia. Now, as you can see, the fascia, soffit, and gutter are all created and aligned properly in the model. And that's how you can easily create and customize fascias, soffits, and gutters in Revit. I hope this tutorial helps you improve the level of detail in your roof modeling. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Revit tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.